I'm very excited about H100. When I first got my post, I asked specifically to come and see it because I think this is could be a blueprint for so much hydrogen generation, but actually getting it into people's homes, which is obviously lower emissions for people. The fact that Levenmouth as a community has embraced this so much, so many people have opted into this scheme to have hydrogen into their homes, is hugely exciting. And obviously I am at the demonstration houses today, which aren't quite finished yet. I can't wait to come back and see them when they're finished and operational. And I reckon that the people of Levenmouth will be queuing out the door to have a good look and see how they work and what's involved. I think one of the most exciting things for Scotland is that Scotland's got the potential to be generating so much renewable electricity. Not all of that is going to be going into the electricity grid. What we're going to do with it, we're going to make hydrogen. And if we can be making hydrogen to heat our homes and to do our cooking and power our homes, then H100 is going to prove that that can be done and it can be rolled out elsewhere in other communities. Very exciting.